Betting on success, understanding, put your money on. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, put your money on. This phrase is not just about currency and gambling. It's about confidence, prediction, and trust. Stay tuned as we decode the meaning, usage, and hidden nuances of this common idiom. Put your money on literally refers to placing a bet or wager on something, usually in the context of gambling. When you put your money on a horse in a race, you're betting that the horse will win. This action shows your belief in the horse's potential and your willingness to risk your money on its performance. In everyday speech, put your money on often has a figurative meaning. It's used to express confidence or belief in the success or outcome of someone or something. When you say, "I'd put my money on him to solve the problem," you're not actually betting money. Instead, you're expressing a strong belief in that person's abilities. 1. Sports and competitions. I'm putting my money on the blue team to win the championship. Here, it may mean literal betting or simply a way to show support and confidence in the blue team's capabilities. 2. Business and investments. In a business context, saying, "We should put our money on the new marketing strategy," suggests a strong belief in the strategy's potential to succeed, akin to making an investment. 3. Everyday decisions. Even in daily life, you might use the phrase metaphorically. For instance, "I put my money on this brand of coffee to be the best," simply means you trust and prefer this brand over others. While "put your money on" generally denotes confidence, it's important to note the underlying implication of risk. The phrase originates from gambling, where outcomes are uncertain. Therefore, when you use this idiom, it subtly acknowledges that, despite your confidence, there's a chance of the unexpected. We've navigated through the literal and figurative landscapes of the phrase, "put your money on." It's a versatile idiom that adds flavor to our language, encapsulating notions of confidence, risk, and decision-making. Remember, whether you're putting your money on a horse, a team, or a business strategy, you're expressing belief in the potential of your choice. Thank you for joining today's lesson, and I hope you feel more confident in using this expressive phrase in your conversations.